What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, I hope you're all well. We're looking at Hbar today on a daily time frame, and I've just drawn this golden pocket because going forward, once we do get to in and around 33 to 37 cent, this is going to be a key resistance that must be broken because all Hbar is currently doing is having this massive impulse to the downside, and it's an impulse because we haven't really had massive retrace, lie, because there's a massive retracement there and there, but now we've finished the move to the downside, potentially, because at the moment we have this low. We went a little bit higher and a little bit higher. So we are trying to change this trend. We're trying to reverse this trend from a downtrend into an uptrend. And this is a good bottoming out structure, and it's looking very similar to this over here. So that's why I think that once we do get to the neckline of this double bottom, which is here, and we get above that like we did over here, you can see that we're going to hold that support and then head into this golden pocket. And from here, this is where we could have that dead cat bounce where we tank and then obviously form a descending triangle and eventually come even lower. And of course, that's something that we don't really want to see whatsoever, but something that can form. And we're actually seeing that right now, but just over here, we're seeing this potential descending triangle with this being the support, and you can see the descending resistance here, and you're just coming into the apex before a move. Now it's 66% chance of breaking down, and this over here would have been your target, but we've actually broken up out of it. So we'll zoom into that now for you. So we've now broken this trend line that's been here since the beginning of February. So a monthly downtrend base. Well, you could even extend this even higher like that. It's been a multi-month downtrend. Multi-month. Literally since November time, we've been in a downtrend basically. And so we've just broken out of that, and we've retested it 3 times. Now we've retested the line once over here, but you've actually retested the actual green support area 3 times with wicks over here. 1, 2, 3. So I know that this is support, and if we're now coming back down and losing this support, I know it's so negative, and we're going to test these lows, try and head to that low, because you'd be retracing back to this low point. The only thing in the way that would stop you from going down there is this, and I can show you with the Fibonacci. So from here to here, you can see that inside the golden pocket is this green box as well as this purple line, but these lines and this box wasn't here because of this golden pocket. We've only managed to use this Fibonacci or because of yesterday's candle. So this Fibonacci is brand new because of yesterday's candle. So we can actually come down lower if we want to. We could come down as low as the purple line, but it can't close below it. So I hope that was clear enough. So we were in this range for a long time with multiple fake outs. It was so ugly on the 4-hour time frame, because every time it broke out, I don't think like the bigger coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum did. Just a quick question for you guys. I'm trying to make a new channel with Abby, like a React channel, but it won't be to do with crypto. I just want to know if you guys are interested in that sort of thing, because for 1.5 years now, crypto has done absolutely F all, and I just don't like staring at the charts all day. I only look at the charts with you guys and for the mentorship lessons. After that, I'm not looking at the charts unless it's alerts, because you just drive yourself insane basically. So we just want to stay away from the chart as much as possible, because if you're hooked onto it, it's never good, because that's exactly what I used to do. Of course, chart time is amazing, but spending your whole day every day for over 1.5 years with the market not doing anything, we don't want to do that. So if you're interested in videos and other things like reacting videos, then yeah, let me know in the comments below if that's something you would enjoy. So this wick over here, I was telling my students, is very bullish because you were above. You were below, well, you still are below the 200, but you were below the 20, this key green box as resistance, the 55, and as well as this green area. Sorry guys, the video just stopped recording. So as I was saying, we were below all of these resistances, or supports, we're below them, so they should be resistance. And then you just got above the green box, above the 55, above this pink line, above the 20, and above that green box, all in one candle. So you were below all of them, so all supports were lost, and then all supports were confirmed again. So that's a very bullish statement, because price was down here at actually below the level that we wanted to close, which was just there, and we closed a little bit lower just there. So I know that going forward, if we do lose this, it's a very negative statement. This is also the low, so this is the last higher low, so it's this area that must hold. So I know that it's this area of the green box and the purple line that we cannot afford to close above. So as long as we're above that, and currently we are, then we should head higher and obviously back to the red box. As long as this green box is holding, we should go back to the red box. That's what these wicks to the downside are saying. We were down here, didn't like being down here. We were down here, didn't like it. We were down here, didn't like it. And these two, well, all three of those candles are bullish. Either spinning top here, spinning top here, spinning top here. But this one hasn't closed yet, and it's a 4-hour candle, so can't make a judgment off that. We can only make a judgment off the previous ones. What we can say, we're holding support and resistance, so we're consolidating between the two. Close below this green box, obviously the 55 might hold us, but if we're closing below all of them, we're coming back down to this low. Hold above these, and once you get above the 200 EMA, we should head back to this high and even higher to over there. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment to help the algorithm, even if it's just an emoji. So guys, these are my crypto packages. Let's bring you over to the one-on-one mentorship, where it's £650 one-off payment. You will get video call lessons with me over a 1-month period. We will do 1 or 2 hour lessons every single day, and you don't need any prior knowledge whatsoever. You can have zero, you can already be an advanced or intermediate trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve. Everything that I'm teaching you has taken me over 3 years to gather and cost me over £10,000, whether that was good courses, bad courses, mistakes, scams, or whatever it was. It cost me over £10,000 to get all this information that I'm personally teaching you. I also had to pay for my mentor over $2,000 for a 2-hour lesson. So what you're getting for this price is absolutely phenomenal. Now, you also get the 6-hour crypto course included in this price, as well as the signals chat until the top of the bull market. Now let's move over to the signals chat. I wouldn't call it signals. This is just basically a group where I post what I'm personally doing, my thoughts on the market, if I think it's going up or down. So there's daily chart updates, but also, yeah, throughout the day, what I'm thinking, or where I'm buying, where I'm selling, where I'm looking to accumulate, or obviously get out the market. This is what's in the crypto chat, and that's £25 for your first month and £40 onwards. Then we can move over to the 6-hour crypto course. There are over 35 plus videos in this. You don't need any prior knowledge to start. You can be beginner, intermediate, or advanced level trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve, to make you into that self-sufficient trader, to make you into a trader that doesn't need outsiders' help. Not my help, not any YouTubers' help, or any crappy group chat. So if you're interested in this, you also do get a one-on-one mentorship lesson with me at the end of the course, so you can get any questions answered, so you're clear and you know exactly what to do going forward. If you're interested in any of these packages, then please go to my Twitter at Louis_crypto and literally comment down below and just say, Louis, I'm interested, and I'll personally private message you to see if you qualify for any of these packages. Thank you guys for listening, watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.